For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a crochet business combines the joy of handmade crafts with the potential of entrepreneurship. Whether you're passionate about creating cozy wearables, home decor, or personalized gifts, your crochet skills can be transformed into a profitable business. Leveraging free AI tools makes this journey smoother by helping you plan, brand, and market your business without needing a large budget. Here's a step-by-step guide to launching your crochet business using free AI support every step of the way. Step 1. Define your crochet niche and target market. Begin by narrowing down your crochet specialty. You could focus on baby items, eco-friendly home goods, fashion accessories, or seasonal holiday decor. Understanding your niche allows you to connect more meaningfully with your future customers. Use ChatGPT to clarify your niche and target audience. It can help you brainstorm ideas based on trends and consumer needs. Prompt: help me choose a profitable niche for a crochet business and describe the target audience for it. Step 2. Create a business name and brand identity. A compelling name and consistent branding are essential. Your brand should reflect your crochet style and attract the right audience. You can use tools like Namelix, free AI power name generator, to generate creative brand names. Once you have a name, use Loca's free version or Canva's logo maker to design your logo and brand palette. ChatGPT can help brainstorm brand names and taglines. Prompt: suggest creative and unique business names for a crochet business that sells handmade baby items. Include tagline ideas too. Step 3. Write a business plan. Having a business plan helps you stay organized and outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. You don't need a complicated document, just a clear plan to guide your actions. Use ChatGPT to help you draft a professional business plan tailored to your crochet niche. Prompt: write a simple business plan for a crochet business that sells handmade accessories online, including market research, pricing strategy, and business goals. Step 4. Design your product line. Create a list of crochet items you'll offer based on your niche. These can include hats, scarves, plushies, blankets, or customized orders. Make sure your products are not too time-consuming to create, especially if you're producing them yourself. Use ChatGPT to validate your ideas or discover more product options that are trending. Prompt: list 10 popular and profitable crochet products that are currently trending in online craft stores. Step 5. Set up your online store. You'll need a platform to sell your products. Free or low-cost options include Etsy, Shopify's free trial, and Facebook Marketplace. You can also build a simple store using free versions of Square Online or Wix. ChatGPT can help you write product descriptions that convert. Prompt: write an engaging product description for a handmade crochet sunflower coaster set. Highlight its features and ideal uses. Step 6. Price your products. Pricing your crochet items correctly is key to profitability. Consider material costs, time spent, and market rates. Many new crocheters undercharge. Don't forget to value your time. Ask ChatGPT to help you come up with pricing formulas or suggest competitive pricing strategies. Prompt: how do I price handmade crochet items profitably? Include formulas that factor in time and material costs. Step 7. Take high-quality photos. Visual appeal drives online sales. Use natural lighting, clean backgrounds, and style props to make your product stand out. If you can't afford a professional photographer, use a smartphone and edit your photos with Canva's free photo editor or Snapseed. ChatGPT can help you plan photo shoot ideas. Prompt: give me photo styling ideas for showcasing handmade crochet products on Etsy and Instagram. Step 8. Create a marketing plan. Now that your products in store are ready, you'll need customers. Develop a marketing plan that includes social media, email newsletters, and promotions. Focus on platforms where your audience is active, such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Use ChatGPT to generate your marketing plan step by step. Prompt: create a 3-month marketing plan for launching a crochet business online, including social media strategies and email ideas. Step 9. Build a social media presence. Use Instagram to post images, videos, and stories of your crochet work. TikTok is excellent for showing your creation process, tutorials, and customer shoutouts. Pinterest is powerful for visual discovery and can drive traffic to your shop. Use ChatGPT to plan your content calendar. Prompt: create a weekly content calendar for promoting a crochet business on Instagram and Pinterest. Include hashtags and post ideas. Step 10. Automate and streamline your workflow. As orders increase, keeping track of everything manually becomes difficult. Free AI tools like Trello or Notion for task management and Google Sheets for order tracking can streamline your operations. You can use ChatGPT to create order logs or business templates. Prompt: help me create a simple spreadsheet template to track orders, inventory, and revenue for my crochet business. Step 11. Get customer feedback and improve. Ask your early customers for feedback on your products and service. Use Google Forms or simple email prompts to gather reviews. Improve your offerings based on what you learn. Happy customers often lead to word-of-mouth referrals. Use ChatGPT to draft review request messages. Prompt: write a friendly message asking customers to leave a review after receiving their crochet item. Step 12. Expand with custom orders and tutorials. Once your store is stable, consider offering custom orders or selling patterns. You can also expand into tutorials, courses, or digital products like crochet patterns on Etsy. This adds passive income to your business. Use ChatGPT to help draft a digital crochet pattern listing. Prompt: write a product listing for a downloadable PDF crochet pattern for a boho-style plant hanger. Conclusion: starting a crochet business using free AI tools makes the process more affordable, efficient, and manageable. From brainstorming ideas and writing your business plan to designing a marketing strategy and communicating with customers, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Namelix, and Trello give you the support you need without requiring an upfront investment. With creativity, commitment, and the help of smart technology, you can build a crochet business that brings both artistic joy and income into your life. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.